He didn't notice the moose staring him down across the street. No, he didn't know. You wouldn't notice something like that. You're in a daze. You're just waking up. Look, the sun just came up. You need to get something out your truck. I might even be in my underwear out there. You know what I mean?
In this weather?
Yeah, I might be.
Okay.
I might just forgot
You're really Canadian.
I might just forgot my phone in the truck or something.
Not wearing any shoes.
And exactly. No, what, you kidding me? I'm a polar bear. Cooler than a polar bear's toenails. What's that from? Oh, well, here we go again. Then, what is this?
Whoa,
what is that song?
whoa.
Yeah,
Oh.
this is, okay. So
the dog.
The dog, I think,
brave
is,
little guy.
I think the dog is actually the target of the moose in this case. Which is, the dog's limping. The dog's messed up.
You think?
Oh, big time. Yeah.
Wait,
no,
there wasn't any connection.
Oh, there's a connection.
No,
listen,
okay. Let's watch it again. We got to watch this
Mo,
again.
that is look at that animal, okay? And I think if it's just the guy, maybe he doesn't even charge, but he does not like the dog. And the dog got stomped a little bit. Look.
Ooh, maybe you're right.
At the very beginning, because
Yeah,
watch
it
the
was a little
dog
hard to
here.
tell.
It's a little bit before.
Yeah, it was at the first charge.
The dog jumped.
The back
There,
leg.
yeah, the back leg. You're right.
I don't know. It's not like squashed or anything, but there's something happens. And it's obviously not good. But I think the dog is surviving this thing when you think, when all things considered, could be tremendous problem. Now, I want to know what you guys think your dogs would do in this scenario.
Cole's running away, man. He's leaving me.
He's gone.
leaving-
He's just gone?
Yeah.
He just goes.
He's scared. He's so scared.
He just goes to the left and he just bolts.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
You think the same for Otis?
I think so. Yeah.
He books it. I mean, the scale of a moose is just. It's wild. You can imagine you're in that daze, and you know he's not going out for long because he's in the t-shirt.
Right, yeah.
So you know it's one of those situations
Just
like I
getting
said.
yeah.
You're just getting some out the car, and you're kind of in a daze. You're groggy, and then you're like, "Is that a moose that's staring at me right now? Is that a moose that's charging?" It would be so unbelievable in that moment. And he's calling the dog back. He's like, Rusty, get over here, Rusty.
Imagine something so large sneaking up on you. You know? It's crazy.
Yeah, you don't expect this in the morning.
It's you can just be surprised, caught off guard by the moose. Shout out Mitch. Yeah, so I hope everybody was okay here. But what's the lesson? What's the lesson, Mo? When you go out to grab something out your car or truck,
Keep an eye out for these mooses.
Mises.
I almost said Mises.
No, I mean, it is a weird one, right?
Yeah.
Because you got geese.
Yeah.
You have a goose and you have geese.
Yeah.
So that's where you went. You wanted to go moose to meese.
Meese.
Which you're probably not the first
Sounds
one.
ridiculous when you